Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to apply as a Temu delivery driver. Now Temu is a great platform that sells lots of products in a variety of categories, and to apply for a delivery driver on Temu it's pretty easy. First of all, go ahead to temu.com, their website, and scroll down to the very bottom here, and under the company info you should see here careers, a link that says careers. Click on it. Now in this link you should see all the available spots right here for a job, or all the job openings that are available on Temu. Right now there is no delivery driver job post available or job spot available, only senior tax analyst, user research, and account manager. Now for each job opening here, you'll see the schedule, the responsibilities, and the required skills and the minimum qualifications. So if you see here the delivery driver job spot opened, make sure you read the full-time schedule and read the responsibility, make sure you can do them, read the required skills, make sure you do have them, and the qualifications, you do have them as well. Now, let's say this is the delivery driver job opening, the senior tax analyst. If you have the required skills and the minimum qualifications, just simply click on Apply Now. It'll open up the job opportunity page on LinkedIn, where you can click here to apply using, of course, your resume. Now, this says tax associate because we clicked on it. However, it should say here delivery driver if you click on the right opportunity on Temu.